Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. There is a big news which is coming here from Deloitte. Deloitte NLA hiring is out and the registration is also open now. So Deloitte NLA national level assessment for the engineering track, your gateway to a future at Deloitte, has now started. The package is 4 lakhs per annum. Deloitte is one of the very good company out of Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant. So Deloitte is at number 1 company. Friends, we will discuss more about that, but we really put a lot of effort, and that you will be able to see in the videos. So please do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to prepare for Deloitte, lot more videos will be coming here, right? So we always release one short revision video, we always release preparation videos, right? So everything we do it on our channel, so please don't worry about it. So give us an opportunity and trust me, soon you will be getting a job. Okay, now so Deloitte, and one more important thing here is, friends, for Deloitte there is a specific type of resume, otherwise you will be getting rejected in the screening itself. And that resume format we have put here. So in this drive all the resume formats are there. So here you see Deloitte resume template. Okay, so the Cognizant Deloitte template. So basically in the Deloitte resume there will be photo, so that link also will be given in this particular video. We will see, so I will show you, they will clearly mention in Deloitte that resume format. So that also will be there. We will talk in very much detail. So how to create a great resume, okay, assessment anatomy, know your recruitment tool, when your exam will happen. So that complete detail we are going to have it. Okay, so let me okay, anyway, so first back to previous page. Okay, so first we will be here only. Okay, so welcome to the national level assessment engineering track. So after that BSc BCA will also come, your gateway to a future at Deloitte. Friends, within 10 to 15 days your exams will be conducted. So registrations are now open for the engineering track. The selected candidate will be registered as an apprentice under the Apprenticeship Act through a tripartite agreement involving the professional organization, something and all that is not required. Okay, now come down here. So qualification required and eligibility: Bachelor of Technology or Bachelor of Engineering BE with a specialization in computer science, allied computer science streams, information technology and or circuital branches. Okay, so BE Btech in computer science, allied computer science streams, information technology and circuital branches means your electronics and communication, electrical. So these are the branches. Mtech or integrated master of technology, 5 years with specialization in computer science, allied computer science streams and information technology, and then master of computer application, MCA. And this year of graduation should be 2026. So only 2026. Aggregate of 60% or equivalent CGPA and above in the current degree with no active backlogs. Okay, should not have applied to any profile of Deloitte US India offices in the last 6 months. Compensation is 4 lakhs. Now, so view job description and registration. Okay, so friends, the most important thing, we will go to all those things we will see, but Deloitte is one company, right, which you should not miss if you're from 2026 batch. Okay, so what you do, so immediately, okay, 2026 batch if you are, so immediately join the WhatsApp group. That link is in description. So immediately join the WhatsApp group and join the Telegram group. And if you want us to provide the PYQ in video format, then please put PYQ. Friends, see, if we put effort and if you don't watch the video, then for making one PYQ, you don't know how much time it takes, right? So 3 to 4 hours for one video, for half an hour videos, getting the question, solving it, recording it, and then uploading it. So making thumbnails. So please, please type PYQ and we will make this videos, and join this WhatsApp and Telegram group. Okay. Okay, fine. So, and for the preparation, many of the students were asking, sir, how to prepare. So Deloitte NLA 2026 crash course with mock test plus live class plus PYQ. Live class will also start for Deloitte. And friend, trust me, 2026 batch, if you are not getting placed in Deloitte, it will be, your confidence will go down, because Deloitte questions will be easy. You will be easily able to crack it. But there are a lot of things are there. Cyber security, networking, technical MCQs, coding question, verbal ability, reasoning, aptitude. There are a lot of things are there, and it is not possible, to prepare. See, Deloitte PYQ also we have covered. Language skills, general aptitude, technical MCQs, coding, live classes recording. So lot of things we have done for you in this particular video, and trust me, don't miss this opportunity. Okay, so this 700 rupees, no, this 700 rupees is a very less amount. If you get a job, easily 4 lakhs per annum you will be getting it, and Deloitte is a very good company. Don't regret later, okay, because you have only 10 to 15 days for your preparation. After 10 to 15 days you will be having exam, okay, January end or Feb first week, so you have less time. Please start now itself. Okay, fine, let us come down. So view job description. Let's see if it is so analyst trainee at Deloitte are expected to develop a strong technical skills in system technology. That is again it's okay, that is not much required for you. Okay, so the main thing which I am looking for is this particular assessment anatomy, but resume also you see a little bit. So see, sample resume, you should have the photo here, and there is one most important, see, start at the top of your resume, immediately below your contact information, highlight your skills, provide educational details. Next up is your position of responsibility, certification, project, any relevant work, other languages known. So in the same way, right, in the same way we have done the resume here. If you if you'll open, so here you see, so education, experience, certifications, project, position of responsibilities, and hobbies, right? So they have mentioned position of responsibility and they want a photo here. So in the same way we have done, and it is completely free. But yeah, you don't have to pay anything. Okay, our first time online study for you is telling you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so it's not like that, friends. See, wherever the effort is in line, because no viewers could be found. Okay, let me see. See, if something I can do by myself, I will not charge for you. But where a lot of teachers are there and things like that, then okay. So Deloitte Engineering Hiring Hire Pro Test Anatomy. This test is designed to evaluate you across multiple skills with the objective of building a fully rounded profile of your strength and weakness. Test duration 90 minutes. 3 hours? No. 1.5 hours of the test will be there, okay? And number of questions, 65 questions in the multiple choice MCQ format. 2 questions in the live programming coding format. So 2 coding questions will be there, and this will be easy, not very tough, so you do not have to worry about it. Okay, so I don't know why there is focus, I think problem is there. Just a minute, let me set it. Where is the remote? Shit. Okay, remote is here. So okay, no, let me do it manual. Okay, so just a minute, there is some problem definitely. Okay, so I have done manual now. Okay, because it is quite fluctuating. Okay, now so the test will be for 90 minutes. It's clearly written here. So 90 minutes, 1.5 hour, 90 minutes, 1.5 hour, and here 65 questions, the same pattern. Even earlier also there was same pattern, and 2 coding question. So 65 questions MCQs and 2 coding question. During the test, your video and audio would be recorded and analyzed to ensure the integrity of the test. The test is divided in 5 sections. For each section, you will get a dedicated time duration within the overall duration of the test. If you run out of time before completing any section, you will be moved forward to the next section automatically. Once you move to the next section ahead, you will not be able to come back to the previous section. The 5 sections will present 4 different varieties of question as explained below. So friends, language skills. So language skills means English. So this section consists of 10 MCQ and 3 fill in the blanks question. This section will evaluate your ability to understand and use English in the workplace. These questions will measure your knowledge of English vocab, grammar, sentence construction, sentence arrangement, and overall language comprehension. General aptitude, reasoning ability, and quantitative ability. This section consists of 12 MCQs in the reasoning ability and 10 in quantitative. This section will evaluate your general cognitive skills, your reasoning skills, and your ability to work with data. Different questions have different instructions, so you must read. Okay, a few of the questions will be based on a common premise and will appear in sequence. Some question may involve basic numerical calculation, so it is advised to keep a pen and paper handy. Okay, so you will have to use pen and paper in the exam. This section consists of 30 MCQ, technical MCQs. The section will evaluate your knowledge of testing, computer science, networking, and cyber security and cloud computing in the chosen areas. So the course which you see here, right, friends, if you go inside this technical MCQ, right, see, we have covered everything, no, and that's the reason we are confident that yes, you are going to crack the exam. See, networking and cyber security, cloud, DBMS, technical MCQs, testing and computer science, okay, and then mock test, right? So everything we have covered, and that's the reason we are very much confident that you are going to crack the exams, right? Okay, so where is the PDF? Chalo, here is the PDF, right? Okay, so this section consists of one live coding nugget and one live programming question. The coding nugget and the programming question both evaluate your knowledge of programming languages and your ability to write syntactically correct code, while the programming questions additionally evaluates your logical thinking and problem solving skills as well. You will need to write code using the provided online editor. You will be able to select the programming language of your choice: C, C++, C#, Java, Python, etc. You will be able to evaluate your code by using the compiler and execute option. If the code compiles successfully, you will be able to see how many hidden test cases your code managed to pass fail. The last version of code you submit will be considered the final version for evaluation. So friends, please go ahead, okay, get this course and also apply here. So the link will be there in the description, so don't miss. Apply now, click on apply now, and through the Hire Pro platform only you will be able to apply. Okay, so I hope these things are clear. Okay, okay, fine. So that's all for today. So it is little slow. I'm just seeing, like, you know, if it will open. Okay, let me see on laptop, because here it is taking little time. Okay, so registration are open. Click on apply now. Yes, so on mobile, on laptop, I was able to open very easily. Registrations are open. Apply now. On this particular tab or whatever you say, LED, it is little slow. So the registration page will open, and then you have to select the CAPTCHA, and then you have to go with registration form. Consent form will come, so you have to fill it properly. Probably I'll make one video step by step registration. So please mention PYQ, then we will also cover PYQ and plus step by step registration video for the Deloitte. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.